Have you ever felt lost when someone says, "The ball is in your court"? As an English learner, understanding idioms can be a real challenge. But mastering this one can take your communication skills to the next level. Let me tell you a funny story about a time when someone misunderstood this idiom. My friend, Samantha, was playing tennis with her colleague, and he said, "Okay, the ball is in your court now." Samantha looked around, confused, and asked, "Wait, where's the ball? I don't see it." So, what does "the ball is in your court" actually mean? It's an idiom that refers to a situation where the next move or decision is up to you. Now, let's see how this idiom is used correctly. After a long discussion about a project, your boss says, "Okay, the ball is in your court now. Let me know what you decide." This means that the decision or next steps are up to you to take action on. Here are some examples of how you can use "the ball is in your court" in different contexts. Casual conversation: "I've given you all the information, so the ball is in your court now." Formal setting: the proposal is on the table, and the ball is in your court to make the final decision. Negative context: "I've done my part, but the ball is still in your court, and you haven't made any progress." Humorous context: "I asked her out, and now the ball is in her court to decide if she wants to go on a date with me." Literary context: the protagonist knew that the ball was in her court to make the next move in the game of chess. Business setting: "We've presented our offer, so the ball is in your court to negotiate the terms." Social media usage: "I've shared the details, so the ball is in your court to like, comment, or share the post." To remember the meaning of "the ball is in your court," think of a tennis court. Imagine the ball bouncing on your side of the court, and it's your turn to hit it back. This visual representation can help you recall the idea of the next move or decision being up to you. Here are some fun facts about the idiom, "the ball is in your court." The phrase has its roots in sports like tennis and has been used since at least the mid-20th century. This idiom reflects the cultural value placed on direct communication and clear expectations about who is responsible for the next step. While less common, variations like "the ball is in your field" are sometimes used, though "in your court" remains the most prevalent form. The idiom is commonly used in movies and literature, highlighting its prevalence in English language media. Here are some similar and related idioms to "the ball is in your court." Similar idioms: "It's your move now." "The ball is in your hands." "The decision is yours." Opposite idioms: "I'm holding the ball." "I'm calling the shots." "The ball is in my court." Related idioms: "You're up to bat." "The stage is yours." "The floor is yours." Here's an example sentence using "the ball is in your court." After our discussion, the ball is in your court to come up with a plan for the project. And here's how you could rephrase it without using the idiom. After our discussion, it's now up to you to come up with a plan for the project. Let me share a real-life story about how using the idiom "the ball is in your court" helped improve a conversation. My colleague, Sarah, was hesitant to take on a new task, so I said, "The ball is in your court now. You can decide how you'd like to proceed." This prompted her to take ownership of the situation and come up with a plan of action, which ultimately led to a successful outcome. Here are some common mistakes to avoid when using the idiom "the ball is in your court." Grammatical mistake: the ball is in your courts. The idiom is always singular. Meaning misunderstanding: using the idiom to mean "I'm waiting for you to take action" instead of "the next move is up to you." Inappropriate context: using the idiom in a situation where the decision or next steps are not actually up to the other person. Let's test your understanding of the idiom "the ball is in your court" with a few quizzes. 1. What is the meaning of the idiom "the ball is in your court"? A. I'm waiting for you to take action. B. The next move or decision is up to you. C. I'm in control of the situation. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of the following is a synonymous expression to "the ball is in your court"? A. The stage is yours. B. I'm calling the shots. C. It's your turn now. Correct answer, C. 3. Which of the following is an antonymous expression to "the ball is in your court"? A. The ball is in my court. B. You're up to bat. C. I'm holding the ball. Correct answer, A. In summary, "the ball is in your court" is a common English idiom that refers to a situation where the next move or decision is up to you. Understanding and using this idiom correctly can significantly improve your communication skills and help you express your ideas more effectively. Now it's your turn. Try using the idiom "the ball is in your court" in a sentence and share it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful idiom lessons to take your English to the next level.